Okay, this is rehearsals for Blackmore Priory on the 1st of March, and this one is She Moved Through the Fair. My own love said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you for your lack of kind. She went away from me, and this she did say, it will not be long till our wedding day. She went away from me as she moved through the fair, and slowly I watched her move here and move there. She went her way homeward with one start away, as the swan in the evening moves over the lake. I dreamed last night that my own love came in. She came in so sweetly, her feet made no din. She came close beside me, and this she did say, it will not be long, love, till I